Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is my first day out on the river. It's been flooded for the last couple of months. The season opened on the 15th of February, but the river has been flooded since then. The flood is just running off now, so it's still a little dirty, but hopefully we'll have some success. I'm going to be fishing for some wild brownies on this river with the wetfly. I'm using a little 8'6" fly rod, 5 weight line, 3 pound leader. So we'll see how we get on. Ooh, there's first fish. Just here a couple of seconds. Great stuff. Okay. Always wet your hand. Just pull out the little hook there. Nice little fish. Back in the water. Just here, 2 casts, 2 or 3 casts. Okay. Try that again. Very heavy wind blowing up the river now, so it's difficult enough to cast. We'll see how we get on. Oh, there's a fish over there. Interesting. I'm using a beaded nymph. Okay, so no joy there. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, came out of him. He was a nice trout. Try again. Always near a tree you'll find a fish. Need to do the shade. Very windy. Wind is driving up the river. It's a beautiful evening here. Okay, I'm going to move again now. So turn off that. Just on my way out and I saw a fish rise here, so I'm just going to do a couple of casts. See how we get on. Oh, I forgot about the trees. Okay, so we're going to try again. I have to be aware of the trees behind me, of the bushes. I just saw a fish there now, so see how we get on. We'll try him. Try and make sure I'm giving an unusual cast. It's kind of semi up in the air. Okay, go again. There we go. That's it, it's a good cast. Try it there now. Oh, I missed him. Try again. Okay, so there's my olive. Just saw an olive there, so I'm going to try this one and see how we get on. I saw a fish take a fly there, so I'm wondering was it an olive he was taking. So I'm going to try it now. Fix my glasses back on. So he's down a little bit here. In the meantime, just gently move down with the current. It's very windy. Okay, he's down a little bit farther. Right. So it's been a long time since I fished this river. Great to be back. Okay. What's in there? Wind is catching me. Just seeing there's another olive hatching off the water. Okay. This could be interesting now. No shy there. Very breezy. I hate the wind like that. Ah. Now, it's around here, I think. Around there. No. Yeah, it's very breezy. So, try under the shade of the tree and finish up. Got him. Oh, there he is. Very good. Okay. He had moved down. There he's there now. He didn't take the olive actually, he took the marsh brown. Come on, fish. Got a bit of green where he went into the... Very nice trout. There we go. Wet my hands. Oh, he's a lovely fish actually. Beauty. There's a cracker. Just take out the hook. Oh. Lovely fish. Oh. Took me into the weeds and he took the March brown. I thought, I'm sure it was going to be the olive he was going to take, but there you go, wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, see if we get another one now. So that's a bit knotted up now. So just have to. Actually, it looks like a good little spot there behind the little. No, it's deep here, so I have to be careful where I go. So I'm just going to see if I can put a fly behind in there. It's awkward to cast because of what's behind me. So hang on, let me just go. Oh, try here anyway. There's a fish I saw earlier on there now. Great stuff. Let's see in here. There we go. That looks good. Always under the shade of a tree, you'll find a fish. Okay, one last cast. I see a lovely ripple there on the far side, so this is definitely my last cast. This one here, this is it. It's in behind there. There we go. There we go. Try that. Nope. Okay, that's it. Going to finish up. Very breezy, all right. So. I had nothing on the olive, so just going to just turn this around now. So it was a great evening's entertainment, if I may say so myself. I had approximately, was it 3 or 4 fish? Last count, yeah, 3 or 4 fish. I'm out about an hour, I would say an hour and 10 minutes. So a very enjoyable evening. Thank you for watching.